doing the Phoenix. I know it's Harry Potter. I'm not a fan of Harry Potter. It's not something I really get into, but so this one here, apparently the wings flap up and down and all that sort of stuff, so it's quite a thick book. So we'll see how we go. I'll do a bit of a time lapse on it and see how we go from there. Check that out. There's a little mini Phoenix in there, and I think we get Dumbledore in this one. So there's his hair there, and his head's still in there. That's to come yet. So there's his body. I'll have to pull it all apart and have a lot of the beards in that one. Scattered him all over, so you got to open it right up. There we are. We have Dumbledore and his Phoenix in the minifigures. Now the reason I'm doing this set, like I said, I'm not a major fan of Harry Potter, but this is a now retired set. Well, it's getting retired this year, 2022. So I figured I'd get it and just have it, 'cause I quite like it. And apparently the wings flap like proper wings and all that, so we'll see how we go. So that's bag one done, which gives us the stand. This thing's going to be a reasonable size, really. It's got a little crank handle here that is just 90-degree geared up to there to spin that. So I'm assuming that's the drive for the wings, and this is where the feet are going to be sitting on its perch. There you go, old Dumbledore, the Phoenix there. I don't know if they're going to sit like that at the end of it, I'm not too sure. I'll have to see. So yeah, all that just to make the stand. And that's bag one. Bag two looks like the body of the bird. We'll see how we go. It says so in the front here that where did it go? One page back. There you go. So yeah, book one, bag one is making the stand and him. then the body, then the wings, and the finish off. So, see how we go. Okay, so that's bag 2. As you can see, it's made the body and a bit of the tail. And it's actually got the wings mechanism. I think you can see it's going to be lifting the top. The other one's going to be pushing out the other end to make them flap. Quite a neat little setup the way they've done it. Just these little gears in there, spinning around. Making the wings go up and down. Then we're on to bag 3, which will actually be doing the actual wings and joining them on, I guess. Let's give that a go.
It's too late now, I remember every scene. It's too late now, I remember every scene. It's too late now, I remember every scene. It's too late
3, bag 3. Keep saying book, but bag 3. So it gives us one complete wing and the beginning of the other wing. So I'm assuming bag 4's got the rest of the wing in there, and now we've actually got this whole mechanism that picks up the whole wing and flaps. Look at that. That's pretty cool. The whole mechanism is a very simple but effective little mechanism. You can see the yellow one taking the biggest swing around, lifting up the tip of the wing, and as it comes up, it gets quite close and they all drop back down again. I like that. I like this little build, it's quite good. Very effective. Alright, so bag 4, and we'll get the rest of the Phoenix made up. Alright, so that's the end of bag 4. Finally got it right. So, as you can see, it shows you all the wings moving by turning the crank handle and all that sort of stuff. There it is in all its glory. I've put the Dumbledor and the other Phoenix down there. It actually gives a very good motion to those wings. Quite happy with that. Quite a good little set. I reckon I should do a few more of these of different birds that are around. you come around, the head itself can look around, twist around, look right down. And tail feathers can be all individual, move out. And the wing tips as well, they're all individuals, they can all move around to wherever you want to position them. But quite happy with that set. Comes up quite nicely. Some nice little touches with the feathers on top of the head there. They can all be individually set to whatever position you want. So if you want to have them sticking up a little bit. Yes. Well, I hopefully enjoyed that little video. A little bit more different with the voice in between. Try and get that even. And yeah, so that's Dumbledore's Fawkes Phoenix. Dumbledore's got his wand